Hi, my name is Yaffe, and this Hack Week I put a link on a web page. For context, Link happens to be the main character from my favorite video game series. So 12 years ago I made a playable demo where Link could explore the entrance hall of a castle. I wanted to give it another try to see what I could make now. I've been 3D modeling as a hobby, and I've made Link's sword and shield. I wanted to use them in this game demo, but they're kind of high res and I'd rather save on performance. Fortunately, there are lower poly versions available online, so I just downloaded some models instead. I thought my problems were over, but they were just beginning. I had to wrestle with obsolete file formats, and by the time I wrangled them into something I could use, none of the vertices were connected, the textures were all over the place, so I had to do a lot of cleanup. For the animations, I downloaded them from Adobe Mixamo, but of course, it's never that simple. The only run animation compatible with the sword and shield had the legs way too wide, so I had to pull the animation into Blender and edit it frame by frame until I was satisfied. I also had to sync the animations with the positioning code, or else Link would look like he was sliding around. I also had to make sure the sword and the shield synced up so that they stayed in Link's grip. Then I built the town with a similar process: download house models, clean them up, and add hitboxes for efficient collision detection. As for the code, I used a 3D library called ThreeJS through React 3 Fiber. I had Claude do the repetitive stuff that I've done a million times before, like scaffolding the repo, importing models, and configuring the camera so I could focus on the fun stuff, like making the game perform smoothly and look good. What you're about to see is all JavaScript and WebGL running in the browser. Enjoy the demo.